What's up? What's up? What's up? The internet land. It's your girl Sean here, the multipreneur entrepreneur, coming straight from our home office here in Boston, Mass, with another quick training tutorial for you. Now, this training is actually for all my bloggers. If you are a blogger and you use WordPress, I have a wonderful plugin that we all should have within our back office. As entrepreneurs, we get crazy, crazy busy. We're writing blogs, we're connecting with people on social media, we're doing all sorts of different things. And the one thing that um, can be a little time consuming is once we write the blog, now we have to go back in on any given day and now publish that blog and put it out there in on social media. And sometimes that can be a little time consuming if you get busy or inundated with other things. Maybe you're the type of person who writes and publishes 2 blogs a day. Maybe you do 3 blogs a week. Whatever it is, I now have the solution for you on how to make your life easier publishing your WordPress blogs. All right. So I'm going to share that with you. So I'm in the back office of my WordPress. I'm on my dashboard right now. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to plugins and I'm going to go to add new. Okay. Trust me, this is going to make your life super, super simple. All right. Over here in the search plugins, you want to type publish to schedule. Okay. And because I already have mine, you won't see that. So, but I'm going to show you what this would look like. Okay. So right here, where you can see publish to schedule, this is the one that you want right here. Okay. You can see mine is already activated, but I'm going to show you how simple this is. Let's just say I wanted to install this. I would do the same thing up here that I'm doing here. I'm just showing you for the purpose of this video. So excuse me. I would say install now. Okay. And then I'm just going to click on activate. That's it. That's the first thing you need to do. So you're going to, again, publish the schedule. You're going to install it. Click to activate it. Okay. Awesome. First thing you do. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to settings. From settings, you're going to see our new plugin, publish to schedule. Okay. So we're going to click on that and we're just going to kind of walk through this. And I'm going to kind of read this just so you guys can clearly see what's going on. So it says which days of week posts are allowed to be auto scheduled. This schedule the schedule happens only when you click the publish to schedule button, which we'll go through. Okay. So you put 0 in a day when you do not want to post to be scheduled. Okay. And then you put the day that you want it. So for each day right here, for each day, set how many posts will be scheduled. So as you can see right now, I have 0 for Monday through Wednesday. I have 1 post that's going to be scheduled on Thursday and 0 on Friday and Saturday. So whatever your schedule looks like, if you post a blog every day, then, Monday through Friday, put 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. If you do 2 blogs on Monday and 2 on Wednesday, then it's 2, 2, and then 1 on Friday, a 1. Whatever your schedule is for posting, that's what you're going to put there. Okay. The next thing you want to look at is to specify the time interval in which you want to have your post scheduled. So I'm going to read this because there's 2 different ways to kind of schedule this. So the way that it's set up here, it says, for example, posts will only be scheduled to be published in the time interval. Okay, so anywhere between 6 and 2300 or 23.59 hours are scheduled for 2300 hours in your time zone. You want to make sure you're in the right time zone. It will be scheduled anywhere in between that time. If you want your blog to be published at a more specific time, it says via the WordPress schedule button, you can schedule anytime you want. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So you can pretty much leave this setting the way that you want. And what happens is when you go to publish to schedule, you'll see what time it's going to schedule. If that's not the time you want it to go out, then you will be able to change it. Okay. So I'm just going to scroll down and all we're going to do is say save changes. It's that simple, folks. Really, truly is easy. All right. So now let's pretend we're writing a new blog post. I'm going to go to post and I'm going to go to add new. Okay. So for my add new for my title here, I'm just going to put in tests and then just a little something here, test, okay? Now, over to the right, we have the same options before. We can save as a draft. We can preview it. And if we scroll down, we no longer have, the publish button. We now have publish to schedule. So what you can see though right here, it says will be scheduled for June 1st, 2017 at 6:29 p.m. Okay? If you do not want that blog to go out at that time, then we can change it. So what you would do is you would type your blog up, you would hit publish to schedule, okay? And bam, there you go. Now your post is going to be scheduled for June 1st, 2017, but you say, hey, I want to put a blog post out tomorrow. Tomorrow's the 27th. Right here, it says edit. You want to click on that button, and now you can change it. You can change the month. You can change the day. So we're going to change it to the 27th. We're going to leave the date the same. We're going to change the time to 12 o'clock. Okay. And we're just going to say, okay. And there you have it, folks. This new blog that you just typed up will now be published tomorrow, May 27th at 12 o'clock p.m. Just that simple, folks. You can't get any easier than that. I hope that you got some true value from today's video training. If you did, please drop me a comment. Like this video, share it with your friends. For all those who may not know how to schedule their post in WordPress, this is how you do it. Any questions you have about it, something that I didn't explain, something that I went by too fast, didn't quite make sense, let me know and I'll definitely get back at you and clarify whatever questions that you may have. All right. Again, this is your girl Sean, the entrepreneur, coming straight from my home office